Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Lisa from Deadbolt Bully Camp. Today is Thursday, which makes the puppies 1 week old today. I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little update on Zena and the puppies. Let you get to see them a little bit, see how they growing. They're doing very well. They are gaining about 2 to 3 ounces a day. These puppies are off of Zena and Cheeto. Cheeto is a Merle pocket, so these puppies will be pockets. And I'm going to show you each puppy individual as I weigh them up. Give me 1 second, let me get this scale together. First, I'm going to start with the puppy that's already sold. Start with this female Merle right here. This is Palace. This is Miss Palace. And Palace is weighing, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Palace. Palace is weighing 30 ounces and some change, I believe. Next up is Miss Passion over here. Oh my God, Passion, you're so big, girl. Oh my Jesus, oh my God. Miss Passion. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, Miss Passion, let's see. Ooh, Miss Passion, let's see what we got. They're so feisty. Ooh. Miss Passion is 2 pounds. Miss Passion is 2 pounds. And next up is Mac 10. He's the most compact male out the 2. And Mac 10 is, hold on, Mac 10. 10 is 25, about 25, 26. Mac 10. Okay. Those are the ones that are sold. Nope, one more. Miss Diamond. Hey, I got another diamond. This Miss Diamond. Let's see. How much you weighing, Miss Diamond? Miss Diamond is at around 30 ounces. Okay, and these are the ones that are still available. I have 2 females and 1 male. Start with this big black girl. She should be 2 pounds. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, ooh. Yep, she's 2. Oh, she's so feisty. She's so feisty. She ain't with it. This is a big girl. I call her my little black cub. Okay, we're going to start with the next female that's available, which is this bundle. As you can see, she's the smallest out the females. As you can see, she's the smallest. She's more compact. I love her colors. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm telling you. And she is 25, 26. I done made them mad. I'm disturbing them out their sleep. And then I got this big blue boy right here. Okay, let's see how much you weigh. This big blue boy. He's right at 29. Okay, y'all, this is like I said, this is Palace. She's a blue merle. As you can see, the little merle on her face. She's going to Adam in Louisiana. Full tail, thick neck, thick. Nice round head, nice muzzle. Next is this lilac female. Her name is Passion. She's also going to Adam in Louisiana. As you can see, full tail. Nice rears on these puppies. Thick neck. These puppies will be pockets. Short, stocky. Big heads. Nice muzzles. This is Passion. Lilac female. Thick. Nice ham. Is this female? This is Diamond. This fawn, Sable right here. She's also going to Louisiana. She's going to Adam's brother. As you can see, they will be pockets. They're nice, stocky, full tail, nice rears, nice neck, nice head, muzzle. This is Diamond. This is Mac 10. He's going to Tim in Alabama. He's the most compact out the two boys. Full tail, little short stubby legs. Nice dome, nice head, nice muzzle. Nice rears. This fawn Sable boy. Like I said, he's going to Tim in Alabama. This is the next male available. I just called him Blue. As you can see, full tail, nice rears, neck, stocky, nice head, nice muzzle. This is Blue, and he's still available. These puppies are off of Zena and Cheeto. Bloodline, Razor's Edge, Gottiline, and Dax. If you're interested in this nice, handsome looking male right here, hit me up at 229-456-4444. Next is this brindle female. She's the most compact out of all the females. Full tail. I love her color. It's a dark, rich brindle. I love her black mask. She has a nice rear. Nice neck. Stubby little legs. Nice head. Nice muzzle. Pocket female. All puppies are pockets, but she's the most compact pocket female out of all the females. If you're interested in this pretty male, this pretty brindle female, Hit me up at 229-456-4444. Last but least, this big cub right here. This big shiny black cub. I call her Jade. Nice head. Nice muzzle. Thick girl. Full tail. Nice rears. Nice neck. Just my big black bear right here. She's 2 pounds. Solid. Anybody interested in Jade? Their number is 229-456-4444. Female. Miss Jade. So if you see any puppy that you like, I have Blue, which is pocket male, Jade, which is this pretty black, I call her my little bear cub, female, and what name did I give her? I can't remember the name I gave her. Hold on. What's her name? Think of that little girl right now. But I gave her a name. I forgot what it was. But anyway, if anybody interested in any of the puppies that's available, hit me up at 229-456-4444. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.